In this video, I will show you how to change the Telegram theme on Android. First, open Telegram and go to Settings. Then tap Chat Settings. Under the Color Theme section, choose a theme such as Classic, Day, Night, Tinted, or Arctic Blue. You can also tap Browse Themes to explore more themes available on Telegram. If you want to create your own theme, scroll down and tap Create a New Theme. Enter a name, tap Create, then use the palette icon to customize colors for different parts of your app. You can also change your chat background. In Chat Settings, tap Change Chat Background and choose a color, pattern, or photo from your gallery. You can add effects like blurred or motion, then tap Set Background. Telegram also lets you customize individual chats. Open a one-on-one chat, tap the three-dot menu or the chat header, then select Change Colors or Set Theme. From there, choose a unique theme for that conversation. That's it, your Telegram app theme has now been customized. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.